Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to reserve username on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, you need to open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap your profile icon on bottom right, or you can tap three dots on top right. Now scroll down and tap account, or from top right menu tap settings. Then tap account. Here, under your account, you will see the new option username. Tap username. Username are coming soon. Reserve yours today. Your username will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know it. You can add a key to control who contacts you by your username. To create a new username on WhatsApp, tap Create Username. Or you can import username from Facebook or Instagram. Tap Create Username. Enter the name you want. If you see your entered username highlighted with red box, try another. You can tap Suggest a username. If you see the green tick mark, you can tap Save or you can change it. Change your username, and when you see this username is available, then tap Save. You reserved this username. Tap Done and you can see your username. You can tap Contact Me by username. By default, you can see everyone. You can change these settings by tap People who know my key. That's it. These are the steps to create or reserve username on WhatsApp.